Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?
Hi guys, welcome to the Greedy Trader channel. Well, I'm not exactly greedy, as most of you old watchers of the channel will testify. I have the most conservative approach to trading. It's just a nice parody idea from the Gordon Gekko mantra. There are only 2 kinds of traders, the greedy ones and the fearful ones.
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works.
Those of you who are new to the channel, this is where you can learn how to really trade like a professional. Every video I make is packed with real examples with before and after scenarios, so you can see that it is simply a question of sticking with the plan, not changing it because you're having an emotional meltdown. This is definitely not talked about a lot. How do elite traders test their trading strategy for viability? And how do they know when it's good to run it on a live account? This is not a secret traders reveal. I've been a trader for well over a decade, and in that time I've tested a few strategies across different markets. In this video I'm going to share with you my method for backtesting a strategy specifically for a small account. If you need a strategy and are struggling with your trading, then watch my video Do This to Grow 10 times faster in the description below. If we're going to backtest or forward test any strategy, we first need to develop one. In my experience, it makes sense to focus on simplicity. I usually start with a few obvious things: the open of a session if you trade FX, pre-market levels if you trade commodities and stocks, or a basic pattern. This makes a lot of sense. You need to develop a few baselines that occur frequently enough to trigger trades before moving on to optimizing metrics. I discussed this in my video Why 90% of traders ignore volume. I've linked to it in the description below and the end card. Let's see what that looks like. My first example is the beginning of a thought process on typically what moves the corn market. I've chosen to start with session start times. In the first example, I've outlined a session high and low with a pre-market. Note, this is for day traders, not swing traders. It appears if the market opens near session lows or highs, it either breaks out or reverses. This is clearly visible on the chart. The second example shows a breakout above the pre-market highs. This leads to an extension and eventually mid-regular trading session failure. I like assets like this. They trade simply and tend to be creatures of habit. So if you are a prop firm trader, these could be great assets to look at. Ever wanted a prop firm that would just fund you and you get to prove your ability? Meet Tradify, the futures prop firm doing just that. Choose from tailored funding programs that align with your trading style, offering account sizes up to $750,000 with the ability to go straight to funded account, skipping evaluations. Experience seamless trading with their integration of top-tier platforms like Tradeovate, providing powerful features and access to the latest technology in the futures market. Enhance your strategy with automated trade journaling, offering in-depth analysis to refine your performance. Follow a transparent path from evaluation to live funded accounts with clear rules to support you at every step. Start trading a fully funded account now with Tradify. Please use the link in the description below. It supports the channel and our sponsors. Finally, my third example. Once again, we can see that the market opens near the pre-market high and reverses to pre-market low, stalls and goes back to the pre-market high. This is a great result so far as a baseline action. This will likely happen every day and does not allow for too much over trading trying to catch every move. Okay, this is just 3 days. Let's add another day in. The market opens near the pre-market highs, struggles and fails back to the pre-market low. It then picks up some volume and rallies back to break the pre-market high. I've checked this on multiple days, so I'm confident this is a good baseline to start strategizing with. The next logical step is to determine what constitutes an entry. This will require a layer of optimization. I prefer using volume. You can watch my video on why 90% of traders ignore volume and why you should. I'll link to it in the description below. Once you've determined your optimization metric, and it's time to start testing risk reward potential. This is how I handle it. Let's take the example on the 11th. We have a break and close above the pre-market high. So we want to backtest a buy outcome. Looking at the typical volatility, 2 points is a safe bet, or even 1.75 points if you're aiming for a 2-to-1 risk reward. It's pretty tough to exceed this with the grains, so I won't push my luck. The market respected the pre-market high and struggled higher, eventually yielding a 2-to-1. Of course, I need to mention factoring in cost. This is where you want to consider a 1/3/4 point risk to factor commissions. Okay, here's another example. Once again, the open is my trigger. Note we're at the pre-market high within a few minutes, shy of our 1-to-2 risk reward. We can clearly see another opportunity to cover the long and flip this at the pre-market high for another ride down. If we're wrong, that is totally okay, because we'll just end up with a smaller P&L. This kind of behavior can be factored into your model. There are great ways to record this, and there's some awesome journaling tools that will help you do this. Take your trading journal to the next level with TradeZella, the ultimate tool to transform your trading journey. Effortlessly log your trades with automated journaling, consolidating all your trading activities in one place, even if you have multiple accounts. Gain deep insights with over 50 detailed reports helping you identify strengths, weaknesses, and refine your strategies. Revisit and analyze your trades in real time with TradeZella's Trade Replay feature, pinpointing execution flaws and improving decision making. Develop and backtest your trading strategies, ensuring they're solid and tailored to your unique trading style. Transform your trading journey with TradeZella. Start today by clicking the link in the description below. This supports the channel and TradeZella. Do it now. Okay, these are just two examples. There are times when this does not work. This is normal. You should expect at least 60% of your trades not to work. The market opened with strong bids. Get long at the pre-market low. There's a small rally. You're licking your chopsticks. Then, you're stopped out as the pre-market low broke. You could have gone short, but it takes guts to do that. You need to run this on all the days to get a feel. There are a ton of options for replay, TradeZella, to ATAS, or even Sierra charts. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Discover ATAS, the professional trading platform designed to transform the way you see the market. ATAS specializes in advanced order flow and volume analysis, giving you unparalleled insights into buyer and seller dynamics, so you can make confident data-driven decisions. With over 400 footprint configurations and 14 unique chart time frames, ATAS allows you to eliminate market noise and focus on what truly matters. Access more than 240 indicators, including proprietary tools like Delta, Cumulative Delta, and Market Profile for deeper market insights. Trade seamlessly across 25 plus global stock, futures, and cryptocurrency exchanges, stable and secure connections. Simplify your trading with a user-friendly interface, one-click order execution, and automated exit strategies for maximum efficiency. Refine your skills with Market Replay. Practice strategies, test trading robots, and improve without risking real capital. Take full control of your trading with their extended API, enabling custom indicators and tools tailored to your strategy. Elevate your trading experience with ATAS. See the market through the eyes of a professional. Sign up today, link in the description below, and take control of your financial future. Backtesting with execution is my preferred method. If your platform provider does not have a replay function, you need to be asking some really big questions. TradingView is a bar by bar. It makes sense to have an accurate tick by tick server replay. So this is not my preferred route for those of you thinking about this. So that's how you backtest your strategy in 30 minutes. It takes no time at all. If you found the video helpful, then you know what to do. Till the next video, adios.
Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time it's advantageous to everyone, correct? No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?